What's good, YouTube? It's me, Jaffe Bear, and today is a special day. It's Mother's Day. I was gonna post a video yesterday, but I thought maybe I should do a little something for my mom. I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna buy some stuff. I'm gonna get her some flowers, a card, and then I'm gonna come back home, cook it up before she comes home. She's at work. She's been working even since quarantine. She's an essential worker, so she's been working as if nothing happened. But she gets home at 5, so I want to get everything ready before that. So when she comes, I can surprise her with that. So yeah, I'm going to get ready and go to Walmart. Alright, I'll see you guys soon. Alright, so I got back. The line was crazy at Walmart. It took extra time to get back, but I got the groceries. I'm going to start putting in work before she comes home, so wish me luck. Alright, so right here I got chicken, carrots, green peppers, garlic, onions. I'm going to put this in the oven for like an hour. She came home, but she just went out again, so I told her just wait. So this is gonna go in. I'm gonna start making the other stuff now. I'll be back. Alright, so I got the salad done. This is light salad. We got some croutons on the side, and then to finish off the meal, we got some rice cooking. She's still out, but that's good. It gives me some time to clean up and set this all up. The chicken is still cooking. It's not gonna be for another 45 minutes, but yeah, she's eating good. Alright, so I got done everything. The chicken has been cooking for a minute. Look at that, roasted peppers, onions, carrots. Chicken's looking proper. I got the juice of the chicken, sauteed it down, added some spices and stuff. So I made like a little sauce for the rice. Bow. Rice. And then here's a little salad. Come home now. We'll eat this, and then I'll give her little something. All right.
Another plate, nice plate for salad. Okay. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. The little rice. Thank you. And that's it. That's it.
Okay. Now the chicken.
Dressing.
The chicken though first.
Chicken. Okay.
Might as well put 2.
No.
Just here, put this right here. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Okay, you guys sit first. Thank you. Nice food.
Well, try it.
Happy Mother's Day is really good.
Try it.
Yeah, it's very good. It's a very good food.
Okay, obviously don't be for the camera. Don't say it for the camera, just say...
No, it's true. We made a nice way.
You know how I'm whipping it.
I know. You're a good cook. It's very good. Thank you. God bless you guys.
Alright guys, we just finished.
Yes.
So we cleaned up everything, well, except that. But I'll get back to that. So how was it?
I was at the best dinner I never had at Jaffe always.
Why you seem so fake? Just
No, Jaffe, it's not fake.
It is. You said I'm best dinner I've ever had.
No, Jaffe, I'm telling you, Jaffe knows how to cook. Because sometimes...
That's cap, because when
But
you're
I
not
never
on
teach
film,
you.
you're always
I never-
roasting me.
I never teach you, but I don't know.
Yeah, because you work so hard, I had to learn myself.
Yes, so... Are you gonna blame me? That's the funny part.
Okay, so
Yeah,
so you,
Jaffe, really funny.
I bet I was gonna get you flower. Oh, I was gonna get you flowers.
Oh, that's-
Relax. Why you relax?
Oh, I'm very excited.
No, but-
this is nice.
Yeah, but like
Ooh.
flowers they die.
Yeah, this is
So at least this one you can put it.
275. This is 2,700. No, anyway.
Yeah,
That's
wait,
easy
my
money.
point-
I really like it that it's with the price. Why? 2,700. Oh my God.
Okay.
This is the really
Okay,
nice.
but hold on. My point is that when we get flowers, they die. So at least
But
this
this
kid.
is survivor.
Yeah.
This is my Cadillac.
Okay, but then
Wow, this is really
here's the card.
really
Here's the
nice.
card though.
Okay, thank you. Really appreciate. Oh my God. Oh my. Woo! This is my dear mom.
Here, I'll read it for you. I'll read it for
Read
you.
it for me.
Count the guala
Oh,
though.
this is 100.
Yeah.
My God.
So it says, okay, so today is a day where we celebrate you being such an amazing mom. But it's not the only day we appreciate you. We love and appreciate everything you do. So one day out of the year isn't enough. Every day should be Mother's Day. And also I wanted to say pretty much also last year when I was in the hospital and you were there for me all the time, it meant a lot. I didn't get to say this to you before, but you know, obviously you meant a lot to me. So yeah, I'm not trying to cry, but
No.
yeah, but like obviously you know I love you. So
Yeah.
obviously without you, there's no advancing in life. There's no anything. So you obviously meant the world to me. I promised myself that if I got through that, I would have done something good for you. So I try to make you dinner. I gave you. It's not much, but at least you can buy whatever you want with that. I love you pretty much. We don't get to say it much, but
No, I can say something too because
Yeah.
always Jaffe, even with Jaffe, he's my best friend. He's my everything. We fight a lot. I ask him so much. I know that, but he never got a word from his moms. Always say okay, even if he can't do it. He said okay. He's really polite and nice. But usually with the like best friend, when you become best friend, he fought a lot. So that's nothing. Within before 1 hour, we just be peace again. Always we just compromise. We talk. We solve the problem. Always. He knows how to make me comfort and really admire him.
So pretty much what I'm trying to get to is don't wait for this one day to appreciate your mom. Always appreciate her every day of the year because you never know. The next day you may not even have a mom, so why not just live every day like it's the last. I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the moms, especially the single moms. You guys are the moms and dads, so you know she raised us alone, so today is a special day for her. So yeah, so don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. All right, I'll see you guys.